Hello there, welcome back to my channel, beauties. How are you guys doing? I hope you are all doing well, as I am doing also. You guys are the reason why I keep on coming and uploading here. Thank you so much for your love and your support, and for all my old subscribers, warm welcome to you. Today I want to share with you how we make millet porridge in Togo, which we call a Zogbon. So this is the millet flour I have here in my bowl. This is the lighter millet. As you all know, we have some darker ones. Some of the millet are really darker than others. So this is the lighter one here in my bowl. And here are all the spices I'm going to use to make this. And I have some ginger, as you can see, some cayenne pepper, the little small cayenne pepper. They are really spicy. And some peppercorn, let me not forget. And here I have my Esso. I don't know the name of it. We usually use it for newborn, and it's really good for your digestion also. It's a really good spice actually. So without further ado, I will go ahead and start blending all my spices together. So here I am adding them to my blending cup. So after you blend them, you are going to go ahead and add more water to it and strain them. Okay, so you strain the blended spices. So this is what I'm doing here right now. So here I will say, do not throw this away, because you can still use it for any other recipes of your choice. Okay, so now we are back to the flour. I will be adding some water to this flour and mix it well. Make sure I get rid of all the lumps that will be inside there, so I can have some smooth consistency. And voila, if you want, you can mix it with just water, your tap water, or for me, I use some tap water and a little bit of my liquid from the blended spices. Okay. So now you saw that I added more water to it because that's how I like it. In case I am going to make my porridge anytime, I don't have to mix it with water anymore, and I will have enough of water to add to this my water from the spices earlier. So that water on the flour will get fermented also, and that is a plus. Okay guys, so I will leave that for 24 hours so it can get fermented. You just need to put it in one warm corner in your house overnight or for 24 hours. You see how it's separated from the water and well fermented. Not that fermented, but just the level I needed. Yeah, you don't need it that much fermented because you already have enough spice from it, and too much fermentation will maybe upset your stomach. So now I'll separate the water flowing on top of it and add it to the pot. Then I will add this, I will put this on fire. I'll put it on fire and bring it to a boil. So I will just need to use 2 scoops here. So just 2 scoops, that's what I'm gonna use for my porridge, and save the rest for later. So just to let you know, I use 2 cups of flour, millet flour, and this is what I get from it. I know from the leftover I can still make like 2 or 3 porridge out of it. It depends on how many people you are serving. Okay? As you can see, my water is beautifully boiling on fire now. So it's time for me to add the millet mixture to this boiling water. We'll lower the heat, and while you are pouring in the millet mixture, make sure you are stirring it right away. Don't wait till you add it to it. Okay, make sure you are stirring it right away to avoid any lump in your porridge, because you want some, I know you want some smooth and sleek porridge to enjoy. So the important thing here is, while you are pouring it, as I said, stirring it right away, and after 30 to 40 seconds you turn off your heat. You don't want to overcook this. It will get like starchy and like sort of gummy, and you don't want that. So this is it, pretty easy. You see, your millet porridge is ready right here. Everything is off. I just kept stirring it, and now it's time to serve and enjoy it. Okay, so that will be all. Thank you all for watching this healthy and amazing drink of porridge we have. Thank you so much for watching it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can have any upload I will be posting. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you guys next time. Please feel free to ask me any kind of recipe you want me to share with you. If I can do it, I will go ahead and do it. If I don't know it, I will clearly say that to you. No problem with that. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, keep in touch. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.